Hey guys, how you doing today? March 26, 2021, Bitcoin Kid here. Welcome to the channel where I keep you updated on the latest cryptocurrency events and what I'm doing to invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I also go over my strategies in investing and day trading on Bybit. So if you don't have an account on Bybit, take a look at my link. There's a referral. Take a look. There's a referral link. You can click on there and you get $10, and I get $10, and it's all great. Okay, again, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to get the latest videos I put out there. Guys, we've hit 2,000 subs. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support. All right, let's get into it. We're seeing Bitcoin has broken 54,000 from yesterday's low of $50,305. But isn't that funny that just 6 months ago today, October 26, 2020, Bitcoin was $13,000, and we're saying, we're crying about a 50,000 low, right? That is a 3x from there. That is unbelievable. Governments are contemplating to buy Bitcoin, says CEO crypto giant NYDIG. Real Vision founder Raul Paulo reveals that the government of Singapore, which manages a net profit of $306 billion, has been buying Bitcoin tokens that have never been used for any transaction. So that's basically, we're seeing that since Bitcoin has broken the $1 trillion market cap, basically it has caught the attention of investment firms, now governments. We've seen, Fortune 500 companies that are now investing billions and billions of dollars into Bitcoin. So, this is the time. If you haven't realized that Bitcoin is not going away, I believe that 2021 really has, put its footprint, in this year, and we're definitely going to see Bitcoin, just going to go up. We're going to see that $100,000 Bitcoin. We're going to see the $500,000 Bitcoin. We're going to see the $1 million Bitcoin. So, guys, this is the time. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but think about it, do your homework, and really, contemplate, investing in Bitcoin. All right, guys, stay tuned for the rest of the channel. I'm going to show you what I'm doing investing with Bybit, and I'm going to go over a little bit of some of the coins and what's happening right now in the prices. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's take a look what's going on with the rest of the crypto world. We're in Coinbase right here. Let's take a look at the prices. We are seeing Bitcoin 54,696. It's been going up. That's amazing. Let's take a look here. Let's go back here. Sorry about this. All right, Bitcoin, Ethereum 1692. Ethereum is coiling up. Get ready for the Ethereum to go up. Look at this, Ethereum 2. Okay, wait a second, guys. Ethereum 2 just came out, and they said that if Ethereum 2 comes out, you're supposed to hold. Let's see what this is. Ethereum 2 is an upcoming set of upgrades to Ethereum that intended to make it significantly faster, less expensive, and more scalable. As a part of the upgrade, participants are required to stake ETH tokens to help secure the network. In exchange for staking, participants then receive 5 to 20% annual rewards on their staked ETH. Staked ETH and rewards can't be unstaked until Ethereum 2.0 fully launches, with which most experts estimate will happen to 24. Okay, well, you can hold your money for two years. Okay. It is possible, yeah. Okay, so Coinbase was talking about staking ETH coin, so I guess that's ETH 2.0. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, well, that's great. Awesome. Alrighty. So there we go. Some latest new things. Okay, so I guess if you want to invest in Ethereum, but you don't want to stake it, put it in ETH. This one, okay. If you want to stake it and you can't touch your ETH for about 1 to 2 years, 1 to 2 years, then put it in ETH, or 1 to 3 years, I should say. Then put it in ETH 2.0. Okay, if that makes sense. All right, great. So Cardano is going up 121. We got Polkadot up. Uniswap going up. Look at Litecoin. It's been going up. Chainlink. Let's take a look at some other coins. There's Filecoin's been going up. Look at Dodge popping up a little bit. VeChain, that's going up a little bit. Let's take a look at this. What else we got here? Tezos. Chili's. This has been going up. Let's see what this has gone up recently. it was at 48 cents, right about here. It's gone back, it's gone up a bit. Those are some. Sushi Swap is going up a bit. Okay, let's take a look. What else? Polygon Matic. Okay, this dropped, right? Oh no, 29 cents. All right, this is going up. Alrighty, so that's it for that. Let's take a look at what's jumping. Let's go down here. These are just a lot of my favorites that I take a look at. Guys, Share Token is another one. This you cannot buy on this platform. You have to do it through KuCoin. It's a little tedious to buy, but it can be done. You just have to create a KuCoin account. Then you have to send Bitcoin or Ethereum over from there from a different wallet. Then you could buy share. But this token has gone up incredibly. I mean, this was like 0.003 cents. It was like a third of a cent, and has skyrocketed all the way up to 8.5 cents. It is definitely something to look into. It has to do with traveling, putting everything together on one app, and not worrying about buying plane tickets there, or buying car rentals here. It all does it in one particular app, and that's basically. And a share token is how you pay for this stuff. So this can really, once we see all these lifts from the coronavirus and stuff, and travel gets back to normal, this could be really the future for traveling. So take a look at that. Let's see what else we got here. Anchor, wow, 35%. Filecoin, 26%. So it definitely is alt season. We're seeing a lot of these coins go up. Alrighty, okay, that being said, let's look at my Nexo account real quick. I like to just kind of show everything that I'm doing. Let's take a look at Nexo. Okay, so Ethereum's going up a little bit. You can take a look at that wallet. I still own the 1.43 Ethereum, so that's going back up. When this thing hits to 10 grand, I'll probably have about 14,000 in Ethereum. I'll just take loans out. Again, I'm not cashing out because of capital gains tax. I'd rather take a loan out, pay a little interest on my money, and then have access to either buy more crypto or whatever it is I want to do with that money. But I'm definitely not cashing out because of short-term or long-term capital gains. Leave it in there, take a loan out. That's a liability. I don't have to pay those big taxes, right? Alrighty, and let me show you what else I'm doing on crypto.com. Let's get into here real quick. Okay, I'll show you here. In my wallet, I invested in Cardano. I have 149 Cardano. I bought this a little high. I think it was like $1 or something. So it's going up a little bit. VeChain, this is another one that's supposed to be going up. I have, obviously I haven't really no Ethereum in here, but soon going to be changing. Hopefully we'll have this Ethereum go up, not on this account, but my other account, and we'll be able to take loans out and start pouring more money into Bitcoin, because that's really the goal. And then I'm going to show you next, I'm going to go into Bybit, and I'll show you what's going on in Bybit. Hey guys, alrighty, we are trading on Bybit. Let's take a look what's going on. We see Bitcoin back to $54,096. Take a look at this chart where we were yesterday. We were down about 53,000, below 53-ish, 52. We even got down to 50 range. I think it was like on Wednesday, Thursday, just going back and forth, 52,000. But so we're seeing this, as you can see down here. Price had been going up. Let's see, we were in the 53,000 range. We went all the way down as of 325. Yeah, 52 range, 325. That was yesterday. 52.4, and like I had showed you that my balance was, I think at that point was like 120 something. I dropped all the way down to 70 from 200, and now let's take a look at my balance now. Take a look at this, $213.53. I had retraced all the way up to about 220, and then it just dropped a little bit. But so I'm basically staying in my trade. Take a look at this again. I remember I bought in at 53,000 $1,800. I had $1,978. That was my position. I was doing 10x trading, so technically I had $197. So if I close out this trade right now, I will have made back probably like $17. I can close it right now. I probably should do that, but I really feel like I want to make a little bit more for all the time that I put in, at least for the day. So let's give it a little bit more, because see this candlestick, this green candlestick over here. You can see that it is going up. Hopefully we can get into the, maybe 54.5 range. Okay, just to boost up another $20 for me there. So we see that it's going up. See this 216.79. And again, basically what I would do is, if it starts going up a little higher, then I'll put in a trail stop, which will be probably about 150 less than once it hits the top. If it traces back 150, it'll sell by itself. So we're gonna just get out of here for a second. Again, I'm not putting in, I could put a take profit in, or a stop loss, but right now I don't want to do that yet, because I'm probably gonna just do the trail stop, because if I put a stop loss in, I'll have to put it at maybe around 53.8, and then I won't make any profit. So we're just gonna leave it like that. But as you can see right now, take a look at this. We are going back up again. It's right now it's 54,113. So you see this number goes up. So I'm just gonna wait a few more minutes. We're gonna keep an eye on this, because it is going up. Another indicator that I like looking at, if you see over here, see where it says contract, when I'm clicking here, look to the right of there, seeing those yellow numbers with the yellow flag, 54,175. When those numbers go up, usually the price, the Bitcoin here in the middle goes up. That's flashing green and red. And then when it's going down, usually this number will follow back. So you see, actually it's going down right now, 54,166. It's going down, and the Bitcoin price here goes down too. I'm not exactly sure what these indicators are. I really need to find out. But usually when those go up, you'll start seeing a few minutes later, maybe 30 seconds, 40 seconds later, a minute later, this will start going back up. So it gives you a little idea of where you think it's going. So as of right now, we're seeing it's kind of go down a little bit. So we're just keeping an eye in there. But I just wanted to keep you updated on this, what's going on. Again, if you don't have a Bybit account, you can click in my description. There's a link there. You'll get $10. We get $10 for the referral. Helps out the channel. And then, again, I'd like to show you guys how to do this if you watch the videos. But if you have further questions, because I've looked at so many videos on YouTube, and there's a lot of, they say Bybit tutorial leverage trading, but it's very confusing. They're putting in $10,000 trades in. I mean, I started with $100, and I'm assuming a lot of people don't have $10,000 just to put in and trade. So that's confusing. They're telling, I couldn't figure out. So I'm doing it step by step to kind of show you. I had made some other videos where I show you exactly if you click, what to click limit or market, and I explain those. But if you have questions, I can definitely answer those questions either on here or through Instagram. Find me at Bitcoin Kid USA, and I can explain this to you. I enjoy doing this. It's a lot of fun. All right, guys. So take a look at this. Bitcoin is 54,372, 73 right now. So let's see if this is going to get a little bit higher. My my total amount is $226. So I'm up about $36 right now, which is pretty good. Take a look to the right, 54,454 in yellow. That indicator, when that's usually going up, to the left of there, that green and red flashing number, that's the Bitcoin price. Usually that will go up. So let's see if this can get up a little bit higher. It's starting to get up towards, look at it, take a look. And as you see, that's going up. My amount's going up, so $20. So let's see, let's keep this going. I've been waiting a whole day or two. Let's reap some benefits. Look at this, it's going up. Take a look at that. 229. Let's get this. Hopefully they can get into the 40 range, 240, 250 range. That would be really sweet. Let's see if this is going up. Again, take a look at these charts. 54,428. You see the green candles over here to the right. They're starting to go up right here. So let's see. Let's take a look at these yellow numbers. Start seeing these numbers going up here to the right of this contract quantity amount. You know, I was all the way down to about $78. I was almost getting ready to get liquidated, but I hung in there. And let's see if this goes up. Again, I don't want to get greedy. Happy that I'm at this point. I'm gonna now, the next trade, I'm gonna leave the 26 or the $26 profit. I'm gonna start at 200. I'm gonna leave that profit there. I'm only gonna start trading with the 20, so I'm gonna start building that up so you guys can see. Let's see. Let's take a look to the right. 442, 451, 450. If I start seeing this starting to drop, because remember, take a look at this. What goes up must come down. That's just how Bitcoin is, right? So we were seeing it now tracing back up, down. This is going to come back down again. And then maybe we can catch it coming back down and buy back in again. But you know what? I'm happy with what I got right now. Let's just, if this starts, like it's already 378. Let's see if it gets back to 400. If this number starts going down to the right, 456, if I start seeing that drop, which is starting to drop right now, I'm going to close out my buy. Because I really believe it's going to drop. It's been going up for a while now, 227. Let's see. We'll give it a couple more minutes. We'll keep an eye on it. But I'm probably going to close out. Let's see. It's going back up. 463. Look at that. 394. Look how fast that moves. See that? Let's take a look at my numbers. 228, 228. Let's see if we can get this to, look at this. 54,503 to the right in the yellow. Let's see if this is going up. Let's get 54,500. Let's get up there. Let's get those numbers. Every time I go up, goes up 1%, which would be like about $500. I go up about $20, 19, 20 bucks. So let's see. This just has to get to the 500 range, another 75 or so. And we will see me get maybe to about 230. So let's see. Take a look at this number to the right, 54,507. It's going up. Take a look at that. Now we're going to see Bitcoin, the flashing red and green. That's going to go up too. So let's see, 521. Usually when that goes up, that's a good indicator. And then you'll see this number just flash up really fast. You get about like 10 or 20 seconds before you start seeing that number jump. So we're keeping an eye on this. 531, 537. See what's happening. 230, look at that, 230.55. Let's see if we can get this to 600 range. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on with the chart. See how that candlestick? It's getting dangerous now. Now, could it go all the way up? It could. It could possibly go up. But then, guess what? It's going to crash down. So we got to be smart. You know, I'll be happy if I make 30 bucks a day. 30 bucks a day, 30 days. I do 30 successful trades, one trade a day, one successful trade a day around that price. 1 or 2% can make $20 to $30 a day. That's $600 to $900 a month. I'll take that all day long. Let's just take a look at this number. Look, it's starting to come down now. You know what? I have suffered for 2 days. I think I'm going to close out right now. I think I'm going to close this out because I really feel like it's probably going to start crashing. This number goes down. Look at the flashing number. If that starts going down, I'm going to close out. See the yellow indicator? It's starting to go down. Well, look, now it's starting to go back up. All right, we're going to hang in there. If that started going down, I was going to close out. Look at this. 467. Let's go up. Come on. Look at that. See how that number works? You got about 20, 30 seconds to make a judgment call. So look at this. 230. Let's get it. Let's see if that goes up. 536. 538. 5438. Come on, come on. Let's get up there, guys.
break that. Let's get to 54,600. Take a look at that. 236. Is that number going up? Very little. Come on, 4879. Come on, 54,500. Let's get up there. We need 54,600. See, it's starting to come down. 231.59. Let's see what happens. Come on. Remember, every 1% this goes up, which would be about 500 bucks. I make about 20. So let's see where I'm at right now. 231.74. This can go up another $437. Gonna make another 20 bucks. That would be awesome. And again, all it has to do is go up 1%. Goes up 1%, you make $20. If you're 10x leveraging, $200. 231, 283. Let's take a look at the charts here. See that candlestick on it? Could it go up? Could it go up to 57,000? It could. It could. $578. Now, what I can do, let's say, because I want to just, take a chance right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a trail stop, which is right here. I'm going to set up a trail stop at $100. I'll go 150. Okay. Click confirm. Okay. Now, what that does, it protects me now. This goes to 54,400. I'm gonna lose a couple bucks. It'll close me out, and I'll still make money. I'll still be up. Maybe it'll be like, I don't know, 225 around there. Maybe I'll lose 10 bucks or so. But just in case this goes to 57, I'll continue to make money. Now I'm protected right now. The lowest this is going to go is $150 from the highest point. So this is what they don't tell you in the videos, okay? So right now we're at 54,556, and you see these things keep popping up. We'll short. That basically, every time it reaches another high, this message will pop up, and it's basically indicating that if it starts going down from 557, it'll drop 150 bucks. So at 54,000, 407 or whatever, 75, 405, it will close out the deal. But guess what? I'm gonna end up keeping, probably gonna lose like $5, maybe $4 or $5. Okay, so I'll still be like at 230 something. Okay. And this is great because now I don't have to worry about it. I'm up. I'm gonna hold most of my profit, and then I'll trade another day, or maybe later today, or I'll trade another day. But let's see what happens. And if it goes up to 57 or 56, 55,000, I'll make another 1, 2, 3, 4%, which again, every time it goes up 1%, I'm making about $20. So if it goes up another 3%, I'll make another 60 bucks. So you see it coming down now? See this? Once this gets to about 405, it's going to close me out. Take a look at my balance. I'm at 230. I'm almost there. 405, 75 bucks more. See, I'm at 230, right? See how it's going down? 475. And maybe it will close me out. Maybe it won't. Maybe it'll go back up. But that way you'll see. You won't. You see how this might retrace back down. But guess what? That's what I love about the trail stop. Because I don't have to guess now. Okay, should I put it at take loss profit or take profit or stop loss? I put the trail stop. If it goes up to 100,000, I'm making money all the way up. And as soon as it hits the peak, when it drops to $150 less of the price of Bitcoin, it'll just basically close me out, and I'll be in profit. Okay. So you see, look, now it's going back up again. So I don't have to worry about that. See? Now look, I'm back to 232. And keep it going. Alright guys, if you have any questions, I will keep you updated on this, and you'll probably see in tomorrow's video where I'm at. Because I'll make a video, I'll show exactly what point I'm at. But we could sit here all day looking at this. So again, you know, the peak, if it hits about 54,400, it'll close out the sale. All right, guys, thank you so much again. If you don't have a Bybit account, click on the link below in the description. You'll get $10 to trade Bitcoin. I'll get $10 to help support the channel, and I'll answer your questions. Like I said, there's a lot of YouTubers out there. You know, they have some tutorials. I've watched them all. I could not get this. I mean, really trial and error. I had a little bit of help with some friends on Instagram. Kind of gave me some pointers so I can kind of get the idea. But now I really believe I got it, and I want to show you guys how to do it. You know, again, there's no cost. I'm not a financial advisor. You always got to be careful, but I really believe that this is the way. Before, when we first started the video, we were, you know, selling the profits on Bitcoin. But the problem with that is that if Bitcoin dropped, you kind of lost your profit there. But this, you can put in a minimal investment of like $50, $100, and you can. It's as if you're trading. If you do 10x leveraging, it's as if you're trading with $500 to $1,000. Isn't that cool? And you can get these kind of profits. With that, every time it goes up 1%, you can make $5. Every time it goes up 1% with $100, you can make $10. And so I'm trading with 200. So every time it goes up, and eventually you'll probably see me put in $500 here. I'll 10 extra. It's like I'm trading with $5,000. Every time it goes up 1%, I'll make $50. Is that amazing? So that's it, guys. I really appreciate it. Let's take a look. One last look. 234 again. Right now it's trading at 54,583. So if it goes down to about 430, then it'll close me out. So I'll still be in profit. And we're moving forward. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'll let you know what happens tomorrow. Have a great night.